If you are looking for luxury single-story home without the luxury price tag on a huge lot, we are touring this Highland home. This is the Verona, and it is 3411 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths, 2 half baths, 3-car garage, and this thing is upgraded to the max. I will say these light treatments aren't doing anything much for me, but
Okay.
you can upgrade those. But look how high the ceilings are. Those are the things that you can't replace.
Yeah.
But
All
let's
right,
go
let's start to the right.
Yeah, let's go to the right. Powder bath,
Powder bath there.
1 of 2 powder baths, and then each room has its own ensuite.
That is.
And these are big, oversized
amazing.
rooms.
They're massive rooms.
Massive rooms, high ceilings, you know, big, nice walk-in closets for secondary bedrooms, 8-foot doors throughout.
Yeah,
This one's got tile all the way up on the shower plus the bathtub. It's just quality is top notch. You go across this hallway, here is your ensuite again, but this one does not have the bathtub, maybe for your older kids. And this would actually be perfect because you can see the shape of this room is so big. You can have almost like a little sitting area with a TV and all that good stuff. This thing's a huge room. Here is your walk-in closet, if you'd like to see that. On the other side of the hallway is a 3rd secondary bedroom.
They're about as big as a primary.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I didn't grow up with an ensuite, so to me, when I see an ensuite, I think automatically it's the primary. This thing is nice. It's got the bathtub, tile going all the way up, and inside there is your walk-in closet.
That is really a pretty bathroom.
Guys, remember, this is a single-story 885. You are 20 minutes into that Legacy West, kind of that job hub. 10 minutes into Frisco. These things would be $400,000 more in just that area. So in this community, you can't beat it. Look at these ceilings, the beams. This thing is absolutely stunning. You've got this brick fireplace. Brick goes all the way to the top, centered in the room. Love everything about this. What do you think, Patrice?
I'm in awe. I think this is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah. I love the details that Highland is doing with these islands.
Makes it look like furniture.
Yeah, I really do like that. You've got a Costco approved snack closet. Goes back there as well. Speaking of Costco, Costco is just down the street from here. You're 5-10 minutes away from everything. Costco, H-E-B, all brand new, yet so close to everything.
And a beautiful elementary school that's on site.
Amenities are all top notch. This thing is just everything that you guys are asking us for. You got a double oven. It's an entertainer's dream. Now, to me, this is perfect for those families that don't want 2 stories, or even a downsizer. Maybe you're not downsizing because this is a big home. Maybe you've had that 2-story. Now you want to kind of go into that single story, single living. This would be a great option for you because you're not downgrading. You're just downsizing, or at least put it on one level.
Yeah, putting it on one level definitely, but I wanted to show this little dining space there.
Look at the ceilings.
Windows.
Like just
I know, aren't they gorgeous? I also like the chandeliers
instead of
as
the
opposed
pendants.
to the pendants. I think that's such a nice look.
Yeah, that's definitely the next kind of thing that's going on. Look at this laundry area.
Oh, I know. This.
You've got
It's
an area for
gorgeous.
your fridge, and then it's like a whole other kitchen without, you know,
Got a
the appliances,
sink,
but I mean,
hanging area.
but just for cabinetry,
Yeah,
you know.
it's gorgeous cabinetry too.
I'm not going to show you what's behind this door, but here is your garage. This is your single.
The single car.
You got 2 tankless water heaters that come with this house. And guys, wait till you see the lot and the patio. This has got me thinking. Have we done everything?
Not the primary
Or the office?
or the office or the media.
Oh, the media. Oh, my heart. Latrice,
There's a lot going on in this house.
We still have my favorite parts.
Yeah.
All right, here is your media room.
Nice dark
Picturing
walls.
all those movie nights, those game nights, sitting here with the family, just chilling. You know, we are big football watchers, you know, and just there's nothing more that I love at this time of the year is watching some of the games with my sons, you know, and my wife and my kids, just watching it, just building those memories. That's what these media rooms are. And maybe it's not sports for you, maybe it's movies or binge watching TV shows and that sort of thing. But that is what those things are. That's filled with memories. And then in here,
Start calling that the memory maker instead of the media room.
because a lot of our memories are from there, you know, eating
It's
popcorn at night, you know. I'm dating myself, but you guys remember those Blockbuster Friday night weekends where you would go and check out. Well, that you have your own Blockbuster movie theater right inside your house. But here is your office. Now, let's go into this primary and check this thing out. I'm really falling in love with this house.
I agree.
Look at you here's your second bath, half bath.
Which is nice because it's right off the patio. So if you do put a pool in or
Yep.
something, you've got an easy bathroom.
And then look at this room, babe. Look at how much the bump out makes a difference.
That's a good 4 or 5 feet of a bump out.
Yeah,
Wow,
I mean,
that's
this
nice.
room is huge, and look at all of the windows that it creates. When you bump it out, you get these 2 extra windows on the sides
Yeah.
that match the 3 windows. So 5 windows pouring in all that natural light, which is just awesome. Your bed would go this way. You got your TV there, plenty of room for nightstands. And then let's flow right into this incredible ensuite.
Oh, this is so nice.
I mean, here is your makeup section. I'm sure that's plenty. And then you got split vanities. Look at this soaking tub. And then
Oh, now car wash shower with doors.
Patrice,
So that's my kind of shower to keep some of that heat in.
it's his and hers, right? And then look at this huge niche. It's all marbled out. This thing is top notch. I'm gonna go out this side.
It really is top notch. Very pretty.
All right, so let's go into the closet.
Oh, look, you have more cabinets right there.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty.
Here's the closet, modest size. You know, I mean, it's big, don't get me wrong. It's kind of got everything going around.
Does everything go around? Oh, and a lot of
Yeah.
shelf space over there. Now, there is something though that in this cabinet, this
Yeah.
is where you would put your laundry basket, and then there's the chute.
Oh.
There you go. So had to point that out.
Okay, well, that's a good point. And then it's got this door that leads right across.
Just take your
into
laundry
the
basket right over to the laundry room.
Very, very nice. Now,
Love it.
let's get in that backyard. We've been holding off way too long, Patrice.
Well, they could see that there's a fireplace. We already
Yes.
know that's one of those must-haves for you.
But look how big this thing is. Picture the screens right here, right? You have the fireplace going, maybe the TV up on top, and all this screened out. It just opens up. It makes this already large home, when you're entertaining, into almost a 4,000 square foot house.
Yeah,
Look how
this is
big this patio
quite
is.
amazing.
Patrice, you get on that end, and I'll get on this end. You can guys kind of see how big this thing is.
All right, I'm trying to go without tripping here.
It's giant.
It really is
It's
giant.
it's the length of the whole house.
And then you can see there's this little side area there.
And then my favorite part is look how deep this lot is. Now you know how we feel about one-story homes if you follow this channel, or not one-story, although I love one-story, 1-acre homes.
Yeah, this is good enough.
I mean, what more do you want? This is in one of the prime master plan communities in all of North Texas, and you're getting all of this for under $900,000, which is a crazy deal.
That's gorgeous.
Love everything about this house. Let us know what you guys feel. If you found this helpful, you're finding our channel helpful, you wanna, looking at doing anything in 2026, make sure you hit that dream home form. We'd love to have a conversation. This is what we do. We love helping you guys out as much as possible. We're just here to be your resource and guide into North Texas so you don't make a mistake. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.